talk about how can you block a message sender name on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click on your photo profile, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it, and you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on block. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to name or word, just click on it, and here add name here, and you click here on block. Then it's going to block here a message sender name in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.